Hello to all you wonderful people of YouTube. This is Vincent from Wonders of London, and I am in the Victoria Tower Gardens. And I just wanted to say, in London, when you walk around, you rarely find many statues or memorials commemorating women and women's contribution to the wonderful history of London. And if you ever want to find them, there are some, but there are far and few in between. So it is always important to note whenever you find some of these phenomenal sculptures of these amazing historic women who've contributed so much to our amazing city. And of course, one of these important women is Emmeline Pankhurst. And Emmeline Pankhurst was one of the founding members of the suffragette movement. And we can see her over here in the Victoria Tower Gardens. And it is a powerful, beautiful monument remembering this woman who fought for the rights of women, among which included, but were not limited to, the right to vote. She also fought for women's suffrage and the emancipation and enfranchisement of women. And we can see over here she lived between 1858 and 1928. And we can see there's a plaque at the bottom. The statue of Emmeline Pankhurst was erected as a tribute to her courageous leadership of the movement for the enfranchisement of women. So it's a very, very important sculpture to make note of. And if you ever come to one of our tours, Wonders of London, we do walking tours, and one of our tours is the Spies walking tour, and we do talk a little bit about the suffragette movement and Emmeline Pankhurst, along with one of her daughters, Dame Christabel Pankhurst, of whom her portrait can be found right here. I do hope you've enjoyed that video, and if you have, please remember, hit the like button, subscribe so you can check out more of our phenomenal and amazing London videos. Thanks so much. Have a lovely morning, afternoon, evening, etc. wherever you are. Bye.